Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to convert HyperOS into iOS 18. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Launcher OS. Now from here, just install this app. Now from here, just wait a few seconds for the app to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just select the language. We will select English. Now from here, tap on Continue. Now from here, tap on Next. And tap on Get Started. Now from here, just select the background for your phone. We will select this one. Now from here, tap on Continue. Now from here, tap on Continue with free version. Now from here, just open the app. Now from here, just tap on Set as Default. Now from here, select Launcher OS. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed HyperOS into iOS 18. Now from here, to change the control center to the iOS 18 control center, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Control Center. Now from here, just install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Close. Now from here, just select your language, or you can select default and it will use the language of your smartphone to set the language on your app. Now from here, once you select the language, just tap on Done. Now from here, tap on Next and tap on Start. Now from here, just tap on Next. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, tap on Next and tap on Guide. Now from here, tap on Downloaded Apps and tap on Control Center. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, just select I am aware of the possible risks, and now from here just wait a few seconds, then tap on OK. Just like that. Now from here, once you swipe down from the upper right corner on the display, you can open the control center. Now from here, just tap on this X icon. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, just tap on Edge Trigger. Now from here, you can select from which side you want to trigger the control center. You can select right, bottom, left, or top. We will select top. Now from here, you can change the color of the bar. I will select gray. Now from here, you can increase or decrease the size of the area where you want to trigger the control center. Now from here, you can increase the height or decrease the height of the control center. Now from here, you can change the opacity of the control center. Now from here, you can change the opacity of the bar at the top of your smartphone. Now from here, let's go to our home screen. Now from here, if you swipe down, you can open the control center. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, now as you can see, this is how you can convert HyperOS into iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.